Hey Curiosity Hub, Gavin here. Today we'll be talking about infinity, the concept with an infinite number of explanations. Infinity isn't a number as some people may think. Instead, infinity is a concept or the variable for not one or two numbers, but all the numbers, all infinity of them. But there are two different types of infinity, countable infinity and uncountable infinity. Countable infinity consists of all the whole numbers and their integers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. These numbers you can count. Sure, it'll take an infinite amount of time, but you can still count them. They're countable, hence the name countable infinity. And then there's uncountable infinity. Uncountable infinity consists of all decimal numbers. These numbers can't be counted. There's simply way too many numbers. For example, let's say you want to count all the numbers on the positive side of the number line. You start with 0, and then what? 0.00000000? Well, we can always add another 0, but there has to be a 1 placed somewhere, otherwise the value would always be 0. But you can always add another 0. So you can't go to the next number, hence the name uncountable infinity. In fact, there are infinitely more uncountable numbers between 0 and 1 than there are countable numbers on the whole number line. Here's another cool fact about infinity. There are things called fractals, geometric shapes with infinite perimeters. Say you're a fence builder and a farmer has hired you to build a fence around a pasture for his cows. He gives you an infinite amount of fencing and says that you have to use all the fencing because he paid good money for the fencing. Now you're faced with a dilemma. You have a pasture with finite area and infinite fencing material. What do? Well, you can't build a square because a square has a finite perimeter. Same with a circle, triangle, octagon, and any other geometric shape with a finite perimeter. So how do you build your fence? What shape? The answer is a fractal. As long as you can keep zooming into the shape and the perimeter of the fractal pattern repeats, then congratulations, you have a fractal. I hope you learned some cool things about infinity today. If so, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications, and join me next time for another video. And as always, stay curious.